Millions of drivers are quietly watching their hard-earned cash evaporate at the gas pump every single week. The craziest part, most of the fixes are dead simple, yet almost nobody does them. If you're tired of feeding your paycheck into the tank, stick with me for the next 15 fuel-saving secrets that actually deliver real results. I'm counting them down from 15 to 1, and you're going to want to hear every single one. Secret number 15, don't overfill your tank. That satisfying extra squeeze after the pump clicks off feels like you're getting ahead, right? It's actually costing you. Once that nozzle clicks, your tank is full. Anything more gets pulled right back into the station's vapor system or floods the charcoal canister meant to handle vapors, not liquid fuel. What most people never hear is that a saturated or damaged charcoal canister can run you $200 to $600 to replace. Plus, it often triggers the check engine light and quietly kills your mileage at the same time. You're literally paying for gas that never moves your car an inch. Gas stations are set up to reclaim those extra drops, so you're handing them money for fuel you already bought. Stop at the first click every single time. Your wallet will thank you faster than you expect. And while we're at the pump, here's another habit most drivers completely miss that takes 3 seconds and can save you hundreds at the repair shop. Secret number 14, fuel cap holder trick. You pull the cap off, hold it awkwardly, balance it on the fender, or worse, set it on the roof where it flies off. Almost every modern car has a built-in notch or hook right on the inside of the fuel door designed exactly for this. When you leave the cap dangling or not fully seated, you're letting fuel vapors escape instead of staying sealed in the tank where the evaporative system can send them back to the engine to burn. Break that seal regularly and you're throwing away efficiency into the air. A loose fuel cap is also one of the top triggers for a check engine light. 3 seconds to click it into place, that's it. Tiny habit, big protection. If that easy win surprised you, the next one costs almost nothing but can give you back miles per gallon you didn't even know were missing. Secret number 13, change your car's air filter. Your engine is essentially a giant air pump. It needs unrestricted, clean air to mix with fuel efficiently. A dirty, clogged filter is like running a marathon breathing through a straw. The engine has to work harder and burn more gas to compensate. Most people wait 30,000 to 50,000 miles between changes, but the real sweet spot is closer to every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas or on dirt roads. A badly restricted filter can cut fuel economy by up to 10%. That adds up fast. A new filter is usually $15.30 and takes 5 minutes with no special tools. You're basically trading a cheap coffee for hundreds in yearly fuel savings. There's zero excuse to skip this one. And if you like simple fixes you can do at the pump, this next one quietly prevents expensive problems down the road. Secret number 12, use a fuel system cleaner regularly. I'm not talking about those cheap checkout counter miracle bottles. I mean quality detergent-based cleaners like Techron or equivalent used on a schedule. Over time, carbon builds up on injectors and intake valves. That messes up the precise fuel spray your engine needs for clean, efficient combustion. Instead of a fine mist, you get uneven droplets that waste fuel. Studies show carbon buildup can drop economy by 4–5%. A good bottle costs $10.15 and you add it every 3,000 miles or so. It's cheaper than half a gallon of premium and prevents the kind of injector work mechanics charge big money for. Smart prevention beats expensive cures every time. This next tip sounds almost too basic, but it belongs on the list for good reason. Secret number 11, park in the shade. When your car sits in blazing sun, cabin temps can hit 130–160 degrees F. The second you start it, the AC has to fight that heat like crazy, hammering your fuel economy right away. Hot fuel also evaporates faster, putting extra stress on your evaporative system, and a scorching tank changes fuel density in ways that hurt short-term efficiency. Parking in shade or using a simple windshield sunshade reduces AC load, cuts evaporation, and lets your engine cool the cabin quicker instead of battling a furnace. Completely free and surprisingly effective. If you're getting value from these tips so far, smash that like button. We've still got 10 more that could save you serious money, and you won't want to miss the number 1 habit every efficient driver uses. Secret number 10, hit the AC recirculation button. Don't just blast the AC on fresh air, hit recirculate first, especially when the car is hot. Without it, the system keeps pulling in blazing outside air and cooling it from scratch. That's brutal on the compressor. Recirculating already cooled cabin air is way easier on the system. Since the compressor runs off your engine, less work means less fuel. The difference in the first 10-15 minutes is huge. Once the cabin is comfortable, you can switch back to fresh air. One button, real savings. If that surprised you, the next underhood item is one of the most overlooked fuel savers out there. Secret number 9, replace your spark plugs. Worn plugs don't usually scream for attention with noise or lights at first. They just start misfiring slightly, wasting fuel that never gets burned properly. Your engine dumps in extra gas to keep power steady and you feel nothing unusual. One misfiring plug on a cylinder can cut efficiency on that cylinder by up to 30%. Across all of them, it stacks up fast. Most cars need them every 30,000 miles for standard plugs or up to 100,000 for Iridium Platinum. A full set usually runs $20.80 and the job is straightforward DIY or cheap at a shop. Fresh plugs will pay for themselves many times over in fuel savings. While we're talking about quiet efficiency killers, here's one that can literally save you hundreds every year. Secret number 8, don't use premium fuel if your car doesn't require it. If your manual says regular 87 octane, that's what the engineers tuned it for. Premium won't unlock secret power or better mileage in a regular grade engine. Higher octane only helps high compression engines built for it. Your NOx sensors won't magically improve efficiency just because you spent extra. The cleaning additives are basically the same package. Habitual premium users can waste $200-400 a year for zero benefit. Put that money toward real maintenance instead. Speaking of what goes into your engine, here's a smart upgrade at your next oil change. Secret number 7, switch to full synthetic oil. Synthetic oil reduces internal friction better than conventional. Less friction means more of your engine's energy goes to moving the car instead of fighting itself. It flows better on cold starts, holds viscosity longer in heat, and generally delivers 1-3% better fuel economy. Over tens of thousands of miles, that's real gallons saved. Synthetics also last longer, often 510,000 miles between changes. When you factor in fewer oil changes, the per mile cost is often similar or better, plus you get superior protection. It's a win across the board. From what's under the hood to what you're hauling around, this one might make you laugh at yourself. Secret number 6, get the junk out of your trunk. Every extra 100 pounds you carry drops fuel economy by about 1%. A lot of us are driving around with 200-400 pounds of unnecessary stuff, old sports gear, tools, cases of water, you name it. Roof racks and empty cargo boxes add serious aerodynamic drag too, sometimes cutting highway mileage by 6-8% even when empty. Clean it out, your gas mileage doesn't care about that emergency bag of sand you've carried since winter. Lighten the load and watch the numbers improve. If extra weight hurts you, the way you drive on the highway can hurt just as much. Secret number 5, use adaptive cruise control. Regular cruise control constantly fights hills and speed drops by hammering the throttle. Adaptive cruise uses radar and cameras to anticipate traffic and adjust smoothly. It coasts when possible, recovers momentum naturally, and avoids unnecessary acceleration. Some systems even read navigation data. Drivers who use it on highways often see 5-10% better economy compared to regular driving or old-school cruise. If your car has it, turn it on. If you don't have adaptive, the next tip is the manual version you can start today. Secret number 4, always maintain the right tire pressure. Underinflated tires create extra rolling resistance. Your engine works harder for the same speed. For every silo across all 4 tires, you lose roughly 0.2% economy. Most cars run 6/8 silo without the owner knowing it. check the sticker on the driver's door jamb, not the tire sidewall. Do it monthly, especially with temperature swings. It's free, improves handling and tire life, and puts money back in your pocket. Tire pressure matters, but so do unconscious driving habits. Secret number 3, don't rest your foot on the brake. Even light pressure on the brake pedal while driving creates constant drag. Your engine burns fuel to push forward while the brakes fight you. This also heats up pads and rotors, speeding up wear and turning cheap brake jobs expensive. Fix is simple: left foot on the dead pedal, right foot handles gas and brake. One habit change saves fuel and brake parts. While we're fixing small things under the hood, here's one most mechanics rarely mention until it's a problem. Secret number 2, replace your PCV valve. This cheap little valve vents crankcase pressure and routes unburned gases back into the intake to be burned. When it clogs, pressure builds, oil consumption rises, and efficiency drops. It can also let oil vapor foul intake components over time. A new PCV valve costs $5.15, takes about 10 minutes with pliers, and should be done every 30,000 miles. Tiny part, outsized impact on cleanliness and economy. And now, the number 1 fuel-saving secret that separates good drivers from the best. Secret number 1, anticipate traffic and coast. This is the single biggest lever available to any driver. Every time you see a stop coming and ease off the gas early, your fuel-injected engine cuts fuel completely during deceleration. You're rolling for free. Aggressive braking wastes the fuel you burn to gain speed, then wastes brake life destroying it. Smooth anticipation turns every red light into a short stretch of free travel. 2 identical cars on the same route can differ by 15–20% in real-world economy just from this habit. The best hypermilers beat EPA numbers by 20–30% doing exactly this. Eyes up, foot off the gas sooner, let physics work for you. It also saves brakes, tires, and makes you a calmer, safer driver. Once you start, you'll never want to go back to rushed stop-and-go driving. There you have it, 15 practical secrets that can start saving you money on your very next tank. Which one surprised you the most? Which are you already doing, and which will you try first? Drop your answers in the comments, I read them all. If you want more ways to keep money in your pocket instead of the repair shop, check out my video on the 15 repair secrets every owner should know. Click it now, it could save you a fortune. Thanks for watching, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next one.